Okay, I think I'm back. Let's talk a bit about motivation and why I'm starting a new game. Hi there and welcome back. First of all, welcome to the now, I think, 231 who decided to subscribe, even though I don't think I ever mentioned it in my videos. Thanks a lot. Also, thanks to all who wrote a nice comment on my previous videos. I did read them all and they were really motivating and helped me make this video. So, first of all, to sum up why I was gone, well, let's just say the big indie game motivation downer hit me real hard. As some of you might remember, the last big game I had been working on was Within Our Ranks, of which the video actually really blew up, which was very cool to see. The problem, however, with that game was that it really wasn't much of my game, and it was basically just Among Us in 3D, nothing else really, and the pressure of the, I think, 4,500 views really built up. So I kinda stopped working on that game. I recently also watched this amazing video by What Designs on how he avoids burnout in his games, where he says this.
Back to the issue at hand, and the first of my project destroying laziness inducers, project structure. I found that for my first few projects, I would structure them so poorly that the amount of code I would have to rewrite wouldn't be worth the effort, and it was easier to give up or start over. I could do
Knowing that and looking around my YouTube channel, yeah, my project structure in all of my games was pretty bad. That was probably a big motivation killer in why I stopped developing them. However, in my new game, I think I might have already stepped over that exact bump, as I have done something in it I barely did before, called, wait a minute. There it is, refactoring. So yeah, I have basically started to create a better developing environment inside the engine, and it feels really good to work with that. I have also added something to this game, which should hopefully make me even more motivated to finish it, and that's the goal of making it available on Steam. With that, I am also trying to make it commercial. Don't worry, it wouldn't cost any more than $1 or $2. And yeah, it's kinda a big step. I'm still a bit skeptical as it does cost about $100 for a Steam game publishing license, and I just don't have that money lying around. So I'm going to see if other people might like this game, and if so, I think I'm 100% going to make it available there. Okay. Now going back to the actual devlog of this video. I'm sorry to say that you're not going to get much more than a short sneak peek at the current game, because I'm still editing the recordings from me developing it. So here you go, enjoy, and yeah, I'm gonna try to post more. See ya!